Hiring the wrong cleaning service in Canberra can cost you time, money, and your bond. Here are the top 5 mistakes to avoid when booking a cleaner in Canberra. Mistake number 1. Not checking what's included in the service. Some companies leave out key areas unless you pay extra. Always read the fine print. Mistake number 2. No reviews, no reliability. If they're not showing up on time, your whole schedule suffers. Always check online reviews. Mistake number 3. Hiring untrained or uninsured cleaners. You deserve professionals, not risks. Mistake number 4. Going with the cheapest option. Cheap doesn't mean clean. It often means cutting corners. Mistake number 5. No clear booking process or communication. If it's hard to book, imagine what the service will be like. Avoid the stress. Choose a trusted professional cleaning service in Canberra. Choose Spotless4u. Don't let these common mistakes cost you more than just money. Make the smart choice for your Canberra home or office. Choose Spotless4u, where professionalism meets pristine results.